crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today we will be going through a few of the bundles available from Spellbinders for their new Color Wheel collection, so stay tuned. So Spellbinders recently did a color refresh of their cardstocks, and they're calling it now Color Wheel Cardstock. So at the time when that came out, the packets of there's 48 new colors, and the packets of 48 sold out very quickly. So in the meantime, I was able to get the warm assortment, the cool assortment, and the Rainbow Hues pack. I have been able to find now the 48 pack, so I'll go through that whenever that arrives. But in the meantime, I wanted to go over with you the different packs that you are able to get at the moment. These new colors are fabulous. They are gorgeous. The cardstock is very heavyweight. It's 100 pound, very sturdy. So we can go through each pack. I did put labels on here. I printed off the labels off of my computer, and then I just attached them to Post-it note tape, so I'd be able to take these off very easily without hurting the paper. So if you're looking to label your things like that, you know, that would be a great idea to do that, because it doesn't hurt it at all. Alright, let's go through this. So each pack, you get 20 sheets of cardstock, and they list all the colors on here, and you get 2 sheets of each paper. So we can just go through them really quickly. This one is Poppy. Look how bright that is. So gorgeous. I just love this color. And next to the Cranberry, which is also a fabulous color. This is the warm assortment. So you can just flip through. This one is called Tutu. It's a nice pink. This one is so beautiful. This one is called Dahlia. And then next we have Wildberry. And then Bellini. It's such a pretty light color. Nice little like pinky peach. This one is Coral. And this one is Sicily. This is a really beautiful color. It's like a dark peachy kind of. This one is Carrot. I think the name is very apt for this. And last in the warms pack we have Beeswax, which is a nice yellow. So you can see here, this is a great pack for the warms. Alright, and here we have the cool assortment. And again, same thing, you get 20 sheets, so you get 2 of each. I apologize, my neighbor is out snowmobiling, so you can hear the engine revving every so often. So this one is Rainforest. This is a beautiful green. And then the next one with that is Fern, which matches very nicely with that one. And then we have Waterfall. That nice blue. And then this one is Blue Spruce. This is such a great color. That like kind of turquoise, dark teal. Then we have Breeze. This is a nice light blue. A little bit darker. We have Malibu. And this one I love. So you can see it's starting to get a little bit kind of purpley, lavendery. It's not really picking it up the best, but this one is called Cascade. Oh, there you can see it a little bit better. It's starting to pick up the little bit of purple. This one is Cosmic Sky. And then we have Lavender. And then Lilac. So gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is the Cool Assortment. Very good representation of the cools in the new line. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, and then in this one, this is the Rainbow Hues assortment, and there are some duplicates that are in the warm assortment and the cool assortment, but there are also some different colors. So we have the Dahlia again, the Bellini, the Coral, excuse me, the Tuscan, Rainforest, Breeze, Malibu, and look at this one, Oceanside, just gorgeous. Orchid and Violet. So you get to see quite a wide variety of the new colors if you pick up these 3 packs. Then in addition, just because I know I'm going to use it a lot, I got 3 packs of individual colors. This one is the Spellbinders Classic White, and these come in packs of 10. And then this one is the Spellbinders Raven. It's a great black. And then the last one is kind of a cream color. This one's called Alabaster. So there are the colors that I have so far. When I do get the 48 pack, I will share those so you can see all of them. There's a lot of neutrals and purples and blues that were not in the variety packs. You can purchase these in both 8.5 by 11 or 12 by 12. And there's also quite a variation of different packs that you can get. You can get 48 packs with just 1 sheet. You can get 48 pack with 5 sheets of each. There's a lot of options out there, so you can probably find one that fits your budget and what you need, or if there's just individual colors that you want to get, you can go ahead and look at that. But these are great, beautiful new colors, and the quality, I mean, this paper is so thick and very sturdy. So I will list everything that I went over with today in the description box. I do have affiliate links. If you want to check me out over on Facebook, I post videos, cards, any crafty sales I come across. I would love to have you as a subscriber if you want to hit that button. And other than that, until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have a great day. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.